All right, hi there. This is Oksana. So this is going to be a tips and tricks kind of video, and this one is about half round wire. And I actually got a lot of questions like this, and I love it when you guys ask me questions because then it prompts ideas such as this video. So it's about wrapping the half round wire around other wires. So I just grabbed these two little scrap wires. That's why they look so bent up, but the front of them is straight, so they'll work for demonstration. So the benefit of this is keeping the wire on the spool so that you don't have to pre-measure or pre-cut it or anything like that. I just have a big dent in mine, so I'm straightening. So the half round wire has a rounded side and then a flat side, and we use it with the flat side down. So say you're making a bail, and this doesn't have to be two wires, this could be one wire. I'm just going to demonstrate on two, but works the same way. So say you have these two wires coming out of your pendant, you're making a bail. So you have this wire, I'm just going to grab this little end. You have this wire, and you basically want it to go around. So first I'm going to do the thing that's wrong, just to demonstrate, and I'm going to wrap this wire around. So I'm keeping this hand still, I'm keeping these wires still, and I'm just wrapping this wire around and around. If you can see that. Now what's happening is doing that makes this whole wire get all twisted here, and then it's starting to come up the other way, the flat side up. So I'm just going to untwist it, because if you keep doing that, this is going to get all twisted and it's going to be hard to work with. Okay, so my wires actually fell out of that little wrap, so let's see. I'm just going to put them back in. So that's the incorrect way. Or it's not necessarily incorrect. If you have trimmed this wire, then you can do that. But that's the way that if you're keeping your wire on the spool, it's going to get it all twisted. You don't want to move this wire around and around. You actually want to keep it still and pointing down towards your spool this way. So here's what you do want to do. So I'm just going to press this little wire down just so it just stays in place here. What you want to do is you actually want to twist these base wires. Okay, so notice what I'm doing here. I'm just going to hold on this wire with my hand, and I'm twisting the two base wires around and around, and then this wire here, I'm just guiding it, and I'm pulling gently and guiding it so it lays down, you know, not on top, but just next to the little wrap. So again, I'm just twisting this around and around. And this wire, it's not moving, it's pointing down, and I'm just guiding it into place. All right? So now this wire is not getting all twisted around. So that's my little tip or trick or whatever you want to call it for wrapping half round wire around something, whether it be two wires or one wire. It all works the same way. I'm just going to do it around one wire now in case that's what you're trying to do. See, I'm just twisting. You can actually see better because then you can see this wire moving all the way around. I'm just guiding it with this hand so it just lays down next to each other. If it overlaps, just move it. It's pretty easy, like it just did that for me, and I just kind of put it back where it goes. You can guide with your index finger, hold it here with your thumb and middle finger, and just kind of let it run through your fingers, and it's being guided, but it's staying in place. It's not moving, and this is moving. This is what's going around and around. See, right now it's overlapping. I'm just going to gently guide it into place. All right, so that's pretty much it. That's my little trick. I hope you find it helpful. I hope it helps you not get the half round wire twisted. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.